Rob rides to the right. Rob rides to the right on a cart going 0.71c. He shines a torch in the direction he's going. Ooh, that's British for flashlight. Okay, and the direction he's going. How fast do we see the photons from the torch moving? Of course, we know that anytime you see light, it should be the speed of light. Okay, but the question is, of course, does the formula actually work? If it doesn't give us the speed of light, it's definitely not correct. Okay, we have to see that it's going the speed of light, right? What if he shines backwards? Well, okay, so let's look at it, right? So in the first case, here's Rob. Okay, and he's got a little flashlight. It's a flashlight. And he's shining these photons, right? So relative to his frame of reference, these photons are going 1.00 times the speed of light. Okay, and this card is going 0.710 the speed of light. Okay, so in the case that he shines it forward, we're going to add those two velocities. So let's see what happens, right? We're going to add the speed of light to 0.71 and see what happens, okay? Now remember, when you add, it's a plus b over 1 plus ab over c squared, right? So let's plug this in. Let's plug the numbers in. So we've got 1 plus 0.710 all divided by 1 plus, and then notice we've got 1.00 times, and this is times the speed of light, right? Okay, times 0.710 c all over the speed of light squared. So the c's here cancel. The c's up there carry through. And we end up with, let's go. Now, obviously, don't you see that this is going to end up being 1, right? It's going to be 1 plus that divided by 1 plus exactly that, right? Okay, but let's pretend we don't know that. Okay, so 1 plus 0.71 divided by 1 plus 1 times 0.71. Oh, look at that, it's 1. Okay, we see that photon as going 1.00 the speed of light, which is, of course, exactly how we have to see photons, right? Now let's imagine that he's shining it to the left. So now Rob is shining the flashlight to the left. Looks like a nail. And now the photon is going to go that way, but we're going 0.710. Right, so this card, in both of these cases, the card's moving to the right. Okay, so we would go this minus that, right? This is 1.00 the speed of light, but it's to the left. This guy's going to the right. So normally we would just say this minus that, right? So let's do that. We're going to go 0.710 minus 1.00, and those are times c, divided by 1 minus 0. 0.710c times 1.00c all over c squared, right? All right, so I can do this. Alpha f1 0.71 minus 1 all over 1 minus 0.71 times 1. Hey, that's negative 1. Okay, the velocity is negative 1.00 c, so that's to the left. Ooh, which is exactly what we should see. We always see light going the speed of light. If this formula gave us any other answer other than the speed of light and the speed of light, it would be wrong.